What's happening, everyone? Mike here. Doing another reset for you today. We got the Xiaomi Poco C40. This is a more of a mid-range phone for Xiaomi. Pretty cool phone, but if you have one of these and you have one that, you forgot the password on, screen lock or the pattern or the code, this is how you do a hard reset on this. Just a heads up, as always, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So keep that in mind when you're doing it. So if you have something important, it's going to get deleted. So let's get right into it. You have your, sorry, it's maybe hard to see, but you have your volume buttons right here, volume up, volume down, and the power button. So what we want to do first is turn off the phone. And let's turn it off. Once the phone's off, we want to hold the volume up and the power button at the same time. So hold volume up and then hold power. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. On these, it sometimes takes a while until it actually reaches the hard reset option. All right, here we are. And on this one, I believe you can use touch and use the volume buttons to navigate. So we want to go to wipe data. Didn't want to work touch on me right there. And we want to go to wipe all data. Your power button's your enter button, just a heads up too. And then it wants us to confirm. Yes, we want to confirm. And then now it's deleting all the data. So everything's deleted. We can hit the power button back to main menu. And then we want to reboot, so we can just go to reboot and reboot to system and hit enter again. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Xiaomi Poco C40. If you guys have any questions or you have a phone that you're doing that's kind of hard to reset, just drop a comment and I'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, if you could like, share, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And we'll do some more resets and more teardowns. And if there's anything specific you guys want to see, just let me know. I'll try to get that up for you. Thanks.